In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track events using the Event Setup tool in Meta Events Manager. Understanding how to do this ensures you get the most accurate data for your campaigns and engagement metrics. So let's delve into the process. First, let's head over to your Meta Events Manager. This is your go-to platform for managing and tracking various events on your website. Once you're there, make sure you have the appropriate data source selected. Data sources can be anything from specific websites to apps, and having the right one highlighted is crucial for accurate event tracking. With your data source selected, navigate to the Settings tab where you'll find the Open Event Setup tool option. Click on this button to start configuring your events. Now you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the page you want to track. It's important to ensure that you input the correct web page since this tool will analyze the events and actions occurring there. After entering the URL, go ahead and click on Open Website. This is where the setup gets interactive. The Event Setup tool provides a dynamic way to map out the events on your page. Once the website loads, the tool will automatically display suggestions for events you might want to track. These suggestions are often based on common interactions on your site, like button clicks or page scrolls. If the suggested events align with your tracking goals, you can simply select and confirm them. However, if you need to track something more specific or if you want to define a new event, you can manually do so by clicking directly on the buttons, links, or any element on the page that signifies the action you want to track. As you add events, whether from the suggested list or ones you've specified, you may want to think about how they align with your broader analytical goals. Consider questions like what user actions do you wish to monitor and how do these contribute to your understanding of user behavior. This thoughtful approach will help ensure you collect the most valuable insights from your data. Once you're satisfied with the events you've set up, it's time to wrap up the process by clicking on Finish Setup. This will save all your configurations and you'll officially be tracking those new events on your selected page. Utilizing the Event Setup tool effectively can truly enhance how you gather and interpret data about user activity on your website. By following these steps, you ensure that you have a well-organized and insightful event tracking system that can contribute to improved user engagement and ultimately more informed business decisions. Thanks for following along in today's session and happy tracking.